Okay, so my mash is coming up to nearly done, so I'm going to start recirculating in a minute, but before I do, you can see I've got a pump set up here. This is the output for the mash tun, which is a 25 litre cooler box which I've modified with a copper matrix at the bottom with slots in it to use as a filter bed. So water comes out of here, blah blah blah, through there, through the pump. This is a Blickman pump, so I can got a tap here to open and close so I can control the flow. I'm just holding it off a little bit, I'm just getting it going slowly in a minute. So it goes up and out home to there. I just use a bit of tin foil with some slices that I put in just some holes that jab into it, and that acts as when you do the voil off, it helps to stop, you know, swilling up the grains too much, so you can, once your grain bed sets, it stays set. So what I need to do now is just check that the conversion's done. So as I say, I've done it at 72 degrees, so there's going to be an awful lot of alpha acids in this one. It's going to make it quite a thick bodied beer, so some of that runoff I'll just take it off in a spoon, place on a white plate, and now I've got a tincture of iodine. And this is a really simple test that anybody can do. Literally 1 or 2 drops, 1 drop's enough. You just get it and swirl it around. And if it stays looking like iodine, the conversion's done. There you go. If you get any black in it, that's done to me. If it goes black, then it means that there's still starches in the wort and conversion isn't done. So I'm happy with this to say this is done, because as you can see, it's remained a nice iodine colour. There's 1 or 2 bits of black in there, but that's just because of grain. Just the beginning part of the sparge, you do get some grain that comes up through. So there we go.